So just heading down to my usual spot. I've got a couple of quads on me. They were set up the same, but I've set my blue one up now to Black Bird's tune he just released on YouTube. So big shout out to Black Bird, because he's an amazing pilot. Yeah, so we're going to give his tune a go. I followed everything from his tutorial last night, put that on my blue drone, which is from Its Era FPV, German company. It's supposed to be the unbreakable frame. I've been flying that for a little while now. Still class myself as a noob in the hobby. Done about 10 months, maybe 11 months. So yeah, this is it. This is the spot. So let's just get set up here. That's my red one. Doing all this from my phone as well, so sorry about the video. There's the blue one. Yow. So yeah, just gonna put you there as a sec. About to have a storm here in Britain, so it's not looking great for the next few days, so now's the chance to get out and do a bit. And I've just wanted to test this tune from Black Bird FPV. I also installed the blue LED ring mod on my Boxer Crush.
Welcome to HTX.
As you can see there. Wait and get a satellite fix. Turn everything on as well. So yeah, Black Bird FPV tune on this blue quad. First time. Let's have a look and see what this tune can do. I think that was my satellite fix then. Just gonna put that there. certainly is a lot more responsive, a hell of a lot more responsive to what I've been flying. So So yeah, the rates, they work, but or should I say his tune works. Really I need to take it up, bring it back, check the motors, make sure they're not hot. But apart from that, I think we're all good. Crash. It's catching me out, but I think that's what it's supposed to do, innit? Until you get good. Try again. Pretty sure it's something I can get used to.
sure? You're not needed, show you the door. But what's that, yeah, are you sure? Yeah, that's a rental, yeah, what a bore. Lying, nothing in your core. Buying, yeah, what for? But do what I need to, always sure. Something real, something raw. Not accidental, no, I'm sure. You're not needed, show you the door. What's that, yeah, are you sure? Yeah, that's a rental, yeah, what a bore. Lying, nothing in your core. Buying, yeah, what for? But do what I need to, always sure. Boring, never been that. I get paid, bro, just to relax. Yeah, more money now, yeah, more tax. Suited it now, don't worry about that. Boring, yeah, I've never been that. I get paid, bro, just to relax. Yeah, more money, but yeah, more tax. But suited it now, don't worry about that. Flexing, yeah, but your soul is empty. Dripping in diamonds, Fenty. Dripping in fads, got plenty. Got the technique, yeah, like Jet Li. Ow. One little chop like pow. One little hit like wow. Living for the now, live for the sound. Nice for the dollar, but I'm making a pound, yeah. Worry about that. No, don't worry about that. Worry about that. Worry about that. Like, no, don't worry about that. Something. Worry about that. No, don't worry about that. Worry about that. Worry about that. Like, no, don't worry about that. Something real, something raw, not accidental, no, I'm sure. You're not needed, show you the door. What's that, yeah, are you sure? Yeah, that's a rental, yeah, what a bore. Lying, nothing in the core. Buying, yeah, what for? Do what I need to, always sure. Something real, something raw, not accidental, no, I'm sure. You're not needed, show you the door. What's that, yeah, are you sure? Yeah, that's a rental, yeah, what a bore. Lying, nothing in the core.
Buying, yeah, what
water.
for?
Do what I need to, always sure.
My bad.
Knocking in the one time, knocking in the door.
Still.
Always.
So you looking okay?
One time, knocking in the door. Hello. Something real, something raw, not accidental, no, I'm sure. You're
I didn't
not
take
needed,
the
show
bad
you
one
the
up
door.
because that's a lot slower than this one now. And that one definitely feels better, a lot more responsive, a lot more quicker. I can get lower, hold it in line quite well. Just need to get used to it, that's all. But yeah, nice work. Thank you very much.
See you later, mate. All the best.
I'm going to pack up and call that a day.